Hello, your voice is not audible.
Now can you
I
hear
think
me?
you.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Now I
maybe
can
some
hear.
issue with my earphone. No
Okay.
problem. Hi, Punika. Hello. How are you, dear? You're fine. Even I am also fine. I love your spectacles. Beautiful blue color. Right? You can hear me properly? Very, very nicely. You can hear me?
Yes. Say yes.
Okay, good. Punika, what is your full name? What is your full name? Just a second. I will just check my audio. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So, Punika, what were you doing before class? What were you doing? Playing with whom? Playing with whom? Didi. You were playing with your Didi, with your sister. Oh, okay. Punika, do you love chocolates? Even I love, I was just having chocolate before the class. Wow, right? Which is your favorite one? Tell me, which is your favorite one? No, no, don't ask Mama.
Mhm.
Punika will tell me her favorite chocolate's name. What?
Tell me your favorite chocolate name. Dairy Milk.
Even it is my favorite also. Give me high five. Give me high five. Yes. Yes. Next time when we come, we will share dairy milk with each other. Thank you. Such a sharing and caring girl you are. How many best friends Punika has? Can you tell me? A mama
Tell
does
me the
not
name.
know how many best friends you have. You have to tell me your secret. How many best friends you have? Tell me, tell me. Tell me. Who is your best friend? You don't have any best friend? Okay, I will be your best friend. Can I be your best friend?
Yeah.
Can I? Yes, thank you. So, Punika, tell me, we will play. We will play one game. Okay, we will play one game. Are you ready to play a game? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
How many games you want to play? How many games you want to play? How many games you want to play? Tell
मैं
me.
दादा को स्टार्ट कर दूंगी.
Don't.
So many. We will play lots of games. Okay, Punika? Okay. So we will play one Simon game. You know who is a Simon? I am bringing one more friend for Punika. And his name is Simon. Simon will ask you to do something. Will you do that?
Yeah.
Yes. First, Simon is asking you to clap. Clap. Roll. Roll. Clap. Roll. Clap. Roll and clap. Roll and clap. Yes. Punika can do it very fastly, right? Now Simon is going to ask you to do certain things. Simon is asking you to touch your head. Bum, 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 bum. Where is your head? How? Where is your nose? Simon is asking to touch your nose. Simon is asking Punika to tell she's in which class.
Prep.
Prep. And Simon is asking which is Punika's favorite color. He is asked blue. I can see lots of blue color behind you. Right?
Right.
But you are wearing pink. Why? Oh, Punika's spectacles. Specs are blue color. That's why, because it is your favorite color. Okay. Simon is happy seeing Punika doing all these things. Punika, Simon wants to know a rhyme from you. Can you say? Can you say?
Yeah.
Teach me. Teach Simon one rhymes. What? Your favorite rhyme. Your favorite rhyme.
No.
What? Okay. And
Start. Into climb up the wall. Now you see.
ding ding dong. Did I say it correctly? Did I say it correctly? Yes. Punika, tell me one more thing. Will you answer my question? Will you answer my question?
Yes.
What is Punika's favorite food? Tell me. Mango! Oh my god. That's a fruit. Even I love mango. Give me high five. Yes. We have so many things common, no? I can be your best friend, right?
Right.
Priyanka can be Punika's best friend. Give me one smile. Big smile. How many teeth Punika has? Tell me. How many teeth? 7?
7.
Only 7. How do you eat mango?
Mango.
Ask Mama. Mama, how many teeth I have?
20.
Okay, just tell it like this. I have 20 teeth.
Repeat it.
I have 20.
Very good. Punika, your name is very beautiful. You have a beautiful name, dear.
Thank you.
Welcome. I will play one video for you. Okay. Do you want to see that
Okay.
video? Do you want to see that video?
Yeah.
Sure? Sure? Show me
Yeah.
thumbs up. Show me thumbs up if you want to see. Big thumbs up to me. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead. Say yes, go. Yes. I am just going to show something to Punika, and it is going to be seen on Punika's screen. Can you see it on the screen?
Yeah.
Yes. It is opening up. Punika, do you love seeing magic or do you watch cartoons?
Yeah.
Cartoons. Which is your favorite one? Come on, tell me, which is your favorite one?
Mighty little pea.
My Little?
Mighty little pea.
Oh, Mighty Little. What does he do? He does magic?
Yes.
What magic? Can you tell me?
He's a
What?
cartoon.
Cartoons. Do you know which is my favorite one? You know which is my favorite one?
Yes.
What? What is my favorite one? Tell me. How would you? You are correct. Right. Peppa Pig is my favorite one. You know, Peppa has one Mama Pig, Papa Pig. Hannah, that's right. She has no?
Yes.
Yes. I love Peppa Pig. She's super cute. I'm playing one. I'm, I am playing one video for you. You have to listen very carefully. How you will listen to it?
Very carefully.
Yes. Can you hear?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
What is this man?
Does Punika love cake?
Yes.
Yes. So how we say it? What is the spelling of cake? Can you read it?
Yes.
Yes, please, 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 please tell me how to read this one.
C A K E.
Wonderful. You're super smart. Super duper smart. Right? I know Punika is the smartest of all the students in her class. Right?
Right.
Right. That's right. So that's cake. Now can you read this one? You know, that's line. Yes. Spell. Yes. Small I.
E.
E.
Yes. And how we say it?
I am
Mm.
Line.
Mm.
nine.
Next
Your
one.
excuse me, your this sound is very low actually.
Oh,
It's
she
not
cannot hear.
audible. Yes, yes.
Okay, I will just reshare. Just a second.
Oh,
Yeah,
rose.
Monica?
Yes, yes. Now
Oh,
it's audible.
Okay. Can you just read it for me? Yes.
Read it.
Can you read it?
Oh, rose.
Ra. Just how do we pronounce it? Ra. Pronounce. Just read after me. Just repeat after me. Ra.
हाँ,
Ra.
repeat करो. R.
Repeat after me. R. A. Z. You know how the honeybee makes the sound? Z. Z. That sound you have to make. Then, how do we pronounce? What do we say to this flower? Rose. Rose.
Rose.
Okay. And which is Punika's favorite flower? Tell me, do you like rose?
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Why do you like rose? And Mama does not know why you like rose. You will tell me. That's right. Just as beautiful as Punika. Right?
Thank you.
You are most welcome. Next one. Shall we go ahead? Show me thumb. Show me big thumbs up. Show
Don't
me
shout.
big thumbs up. Yes. Shall we do one roll? This one? You remember or forgot? Roll and clap. Roll and clap. Yes. Wow, you can do it super fast. Okay, next one.
You. The.
You can read this?
Yeah.
Yes, please read.
Me. You. We. He.
Please. Just listen to it properly, how they're pronouncing it. Okay. Okay?
Okay.
That's good.
You. The.
You know, when we have cough, we say, how do we say it? Right? When we have cough, we cough, no? So here we will say, say ka. Okay, say ka. You. You.
What is the funny thing?
Ba. Ba. So how we will pronounce it? Cube. Cube.
You.
That's good. You can grab very easily, yeah, Punika?
You. Hmm?
Do you have mice at home? You know what is a mice? Okay, M.
I. Nice.
Do you know what is a mice? Do you have mice at home?
नाम क्या पूछ रहे हैं पहले concentrate करो. Do you have mice at home? What is mice?
Yes, mouse. It is like a baby mouse. Baby mouse.
Mom.
You have baby mouse at home?
Yeah.
Oh my God. How many mouse you have at home? 3. Did you count?
Yeah.
3 mouses.
Yeah.
But on screen we have on your laptop, how many mice you can see?
2.
2. This one is Priyanka ma'am and another one is Punika. We are stealing what? Dairy milk. Right?
Right.
Okay. So can you just tell me the spelling? 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 You can read it? You can read. Yes, very good. I, huh?
E.
That's great. Very good. And how do we pronounce it? Hmm? Ah, Punika is tired. You see? Punika is tired, no?
No.
No? Super, super. Just, can you show me one exercise? Can you show me one exercise quickly? What exercise you will teach me? Yes, roll and clap. Roll and clap. Roll and clap. Okay. That's good. Very good. Okay. So how do we say it? Hmm? Hmm? Just repeat after me. Okay, just repeat after me. Hmm? Ma?
मैम जो साउंड निकालिए वो निकालो.
Yes, repeat. Just make that sound after me. Okay. Ma? Hmm? I?
I.
S. Sir. Sir. Can you make that sound? Sir. Yes. So we will say it like this. Mice. Right? Okay. Ask Mama to throw all the mouse out of the house. You can see mouse has a long, what is this? What is this you can see? Mouse has a long tail. Oh my God. Have you just caught her with his tail and throw it out? Okay. Punika, do you have classes at school? You had classes in school?
Yeah.
What did you learn? What did you learn today?
Learn
Yes. What ma'am taught you? मैम ने क्या पढ़ाया आपको? क्या पढ़ाया? बताओ बताओ बताओ. हाँ. Alphabets. Can you teach me? Can you teach me?
एम नहीं पूरा एबीसीडी सुनाओ आप.
ABCD.
Yes.
T. Then wonderful. Wonderful. You're super duper smart, huh? Punika, do you love stories? Kahani. Yes. Shall we make one story now? One beautiful story about You can see there are so many fishes behind me. You can see.
Yes.
We will make a story about them. Story about fish. Okay. Punika, can you tell me where is our skin? Can you touch skin? Tell me. Yes, it's everywhere, no? It's everywhere. It's everywhere. You know, fish also has a skin. And what is it called? It is called scales. We will make a story about that. Okay. Do you want to make a story?
Yes.
Yes. And who ties your ponytail? Tell me, who ties your ponytail? I love your ponytails. Beautiful. Mama does.
Yes.
Nice, nice, beautiful hair Punika has. Right. I don't have a ponytail. See, I don't have a ponytail. Where is my ponytail? Can you see my ponytail? Can you see my ponytail? Can you see my ponytail? Can you see?
Yes.
Where is it? No, it's nowhere. I don't have a ponytail. No, no, I don't have a ponytail. Where is it? Where is it? You found in the back. Right. I was just playing with you. Okay. So I am going to bring a fish for you. Do you eat fish, Punika? Punika?
Yes.
You eat fish? Wow.
Yes.
Is it tasty? Tell me one secret. Is it tasty? Is it tasty?
Yes.
So Punika loves to eat fish and mango. Right?
Yes.
So here is one Punika. Can you see Punika is sitting on? Yes, yes. Chocolates. Yes. It's even my favorite. Shh, that's a secret. We won't tell anyone, right?
Yes.
We won't tell anyone. Next time when I have a class with Punika, we will share dairy milk with each other. Right?
Right.
Very good. So let's bring a fish here. You see that beautiful fish?
Yes.
It has so many colors on its body, right?
Right.
Which colors it has? Tell me.
Blue.
It's just tell me. Yes. Hmm? And
And
yes.
green.
Wow. And it also has your favorite color. That is blue.
Yellow.
Yes, also yellow. She has colored her lips as yellow.
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell me, there is one more fish, no?
Yes. It's a baby.
Baby fish. Right. What are they doing? They are Yes. What are they doing?
Going. Mama.
There are
Going to
two
water.
fishes, right? Two fish. And what are those fish doing? They are talking, right?
Right.
They are talking to each other. So this mama big fish tells she has very beautiful colors on her body, right?
Right.
Beautiful blue colors on her body.
Yes.
And you see this baby fish. Can you read what is she saying? Will you try?
Yes.
Very good. That's like a brave girl. Yes.
B.
B.
N. D.
A.
A. F. E.
E. Okay, okay, okay.
A. N. I. S.
E.
A. L. B. I.
E.
E. O. N.
E.
I.
Yes.
O.
F. Y. U. R. Yes. 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 Wonderful.
A.
Hmm.
N.
L. E. Last one. S. Give yourself big clapping. Clap for yourself. Clap, clap. And pat yourself. Say good job, Punika. Say good job, Punika. Yes, Punika read it very nicely. So this baby fish is asking this big fish, can I have a colorful body like you? But this big fish says no to him. And then all other fish, goes and they do not become friend. This fish is all alone. She's lonely. Then what happens? She goes to another fish. You know what is the name of this fish? Sorry, it's a starfish, right? It's a starfish. Starfish says no to it. And then it goes to another animal. You know what is this animal called? Oh, wonderful. Again, pat yourself. Again, pat yourself. You are super duper smart, right? So starfish says, no, 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 no. No, I won't be friend with you. Octopus also says no. Then this colorful fish becomes lonely. She has no friend at all. Then she cries and goes back to that baby fish and says, okay, take my colorful skin. I will share. And then she has many friends and then she's happy. right? So when we share with each other, so if you share your dairy milk with me, I will be happy, no?
Yes.
You will share with me?
Yes.
That's good. That's good. Very good girl you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, pat yourself. Very good. Say good job, Punika.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I am smart.
I am.
Yes, you are. One last time. Roll. Yes, very good. Good job. Punika, your mama is here, no? Can I talk to her? Can I talk to her? Hello, hello, ma'am.
Hello,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good, doing good, really good. So it was nice. She's 5 years old, no?
Yeah, she's 5 years old.
So she's having her classes or through school or what?
Yeah, she's having online classes.
But I think means she needs to focus more on her phonics. You know, she's just. You can hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear.
Means her area of improvement, which I feel like is more to be focused on phonics, so that her
Yes,
reading and pronunciation will improve. You know,
yes,
phonics is like the base. If the phonics are like
yes.
very good, her reading
Mhm.
capability, also the communicative English, everything will boost up. So this will
Okay.
the anything else which you want us to work on her, or what are the goals you are looking for her?
So I'm looking for the overall development of my child.
So we will
It's
we
included all according to her age.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Our curriculum is also divided that way only. It's according to the
O-
age and also the goal wise. So we have like
Okay.
different goals: overall, spoken English, grammar and vocabulary, and then phonics and reading. So if we start overall, it comprises everything. We focus on everything.
Okay.
So it will
Okay.
include phonics and reading and everything for her.
Okay.
Anything else you want to ask, ma'am?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Actually, my elder daughter is already doing this na from you Cuban classes. So I know matlab,
Acha, she's having her
mother-
classes through
yes, yes,
LingoQ.
yes, yes. Yeah.
How old is she?
She's 7 years old.
Okay, so she must be in junior.
Yes,
Yes,
she is in
okay.
junior.
Yes, we will put her into toddler. She's 5 years
Yeah.
old.
That
So,
time I think your toddler were not there, na?
no, it
That
has been.
time
When did you enroll her?
she's completed her 3 months.
3 months. Maybe I have joined recently. So,
Okay.
so I have no idea on that.
Okay. Okay. So what is your qualification? I mean, did you train from somebody?
Well, we are not actually allowed to reveal all this, but everyone
Okay,
comes
okay.
from the, well, everyone comes through the English background. Somewhere or the
Okay.
other, we all have based on English. That's a criteria. And also then we go
Okay.
through all the rigorous training they give us.
Okay.
So it's all,
Okay, fine. So,
yes. So every trainer is like going through training, and we all have the base on English.
okay, fine. So you will be the trainer of Punika for the next classes?
It depends upon availability, ma'am. Suppose you
Okay.
are selecting 3 p.m. and I'm also free at that time, then it will be allotted
Okay.
to me. Or
So you will be
otherwise,
free at 7 p.m.
sorry,
You will be free at 7 p.m. like today?
today it's already 7:45. I didn't get you.
No, no. I think I am just asking, ki, are you free at 7 p.m. if I schedule her classes at 7 p.m. So you will be able to take her classes.
Maybe I will just reschedule my classes that way. I have my slot at 7:30, but we will see if
Okay.
any trainer is available at that time. Then it will be allotted to
If
them.
I want to continue with you, then which slot is free? I just want to ask
I
this.
will have to reschedule my slots.
Okay.
Then I have to reschedule my class at 7. However, this uncertain. It depends upon like whom they put up everything.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, you
No,
can
if
have a
I'm
word.
requested, if
Yeah.
I request them to you put in Ponika class, then it will be okay for you at
If
7
it,
p.m. I'm just asking.
I will free my slot.
Okay. Because she's familiar to you, na? Now other person will take her class, so
Yes.
might
With
be, yeah,
toddlers, it happens. It
yeah,
takes time
yes,
for them to get along with.
yes,
Whoever person will give you a call, you can just
yes.
make a request to them, and they will also get back
Okay,
to me that way.
okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.